Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a clicker and how to make these clones. There's also a shop which shows how many it's a shop, and then it shows the apples, and so there will be two parts of this video. The first part will be about how to make these clones and what to do to make these clones, and the second part will be the shop and the shop continued. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so we just loaded in our project, and now we have the scratch cat. You can switch the sprite, and I'll just switch it to a ball. Basketball should be fine. First put it to 0 and 0. Alright, and now you have to put when green flag clicked, go to 0, 0. Oh no, what's wrong? Okay, there we go. So I'll go to 0, 0. Now you need to put a forever block. So now this part of the code will be part of how the clicker will work. So we first do this. If we first have to get and. So mouse down, which means you're clicking and touching mouse pointer. So we don't actually need an if, we actually need an if then. Sorry, but so we put an if then, and now we have to do if. Now if then mouse down and touching mouse pointer, we'll put set size to 60 or 70 would be an average size. So this would be counted as size 60. Else set to size 70. So look at that. So here we first have, so now as you can see, we can just keep on spamming, and well, not spamming. If you just hold, it'll always stay at 60. And now, so do this. We need to duplicate this. Put this still in. Now we need to use our first variable. So this variable will keep track about how much clicks you have. So you'll type in clicks. Alright. You can switch how it looks. I'll just put it like that for now. And now you have to set clicks to 0 when it starts. Now we're going to put an if then. Mouse down and touching mouse pointer. So we need another if else. We have to put this code. Wait, no, we need an if. We need an if. That's for sure. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, so now we have to put a mouse down. Set size to 60. Now we have to put wait until. Where's the wait until block? Here. Wait until. And also we need to change clicks by 1. Wait until. So now we have the wait until block. We have to put not mouse down. Set size to 70. See, now if you spam, it will just say, if we don't put this wait until, and we just put set size to 70. See, look how fast it goes. I'm already at the 100,000. So we have to put wait until, not mouse down. So this will make the code so that it knows that you have to just click the ball, the basketball. So let's put the basketball name as Clicker. Now, as you can see, inside that old, I showed you that old project, right? So that one, you couldn't control where it was going, and that's how this one will be. You couldn't control where the clone was going. So you also have to put a create clone as myself, but not here. You have to wait until mouse down, then create clone as myself. And now, next up, I will show you how to clone the create clone of myself. Alright guys, so here are the codes that you will need. You will need when I start as a clone. You will also need two sets of this, two sets of pick random -240 to 240, and another negative pick random -240 to 240. Then you will need a pick random -180 to 180, and then another pick random -180 to 180. You will also need glide 1 second, or how many seconds you want, I don't care, to X, Y, and you will need go to X, Y. So, and then you will also need delete this clone. So first thing, when I start as clone, you have to go to pick random X -240 to 240, Y -180 to 180. Since I will show you why we need these certain pick randoms, because 1 second, I didn't get the right one. So you get X, so you get these XY grid. So it shows here that this 180 right there. Let me just go back. So this one, so it would the Y would be 180 for up to down, and so there would be, for the distance, it would be 360 as a distance, and then for the X to Y, there would be a 480 difference, with X as -240, and that would be the end point, and the start point would be 240. So now you can pick whichever backdrop you want, and whichever type of ball you want. Or you might even not want a ball, but okay, so that's why we need these certain numbers, because X, you can only use X as -240 to 240, and Y only as -180 to 180. So now you have to put a glide 1 second to pick random. Since X is -240 to 240, you would put that inside the X-axis place, and because of the Y-axis being -180 to 180, you would put that inside the Y-axis, then you would press delete this clone. So here's what will happen. And now you can also put glide 100 seconds, 1,000 seconds, and it'll be really slow, but it'll just stay there. But it would be better not to, and just put 1 second. So guys, that is only part 1. If you want to look at part 2 for the clicker, please make sure to like and subscribe, and also comment down and share this video to some people who want to make a clicker on Scratch. Okay then.